All right, here is a room tour of cabin 7458, an accessible stateroom on the Carnival Horizon. So when you come in, you've got ample walking space for a scooter or a wheelchair. This is the Havana Aft Cabin. So you've got some of the Havana decor. You've got the couch. We've got our towels already set up. Desk, mirror, a little chair, trash can. We did pre-order water. And then you've got the cooler here. Let me see here. Hair dryer in the drawer. That one doesn't open. And then you've got the closet space. You've got your safe, 3 of the rolling drawers here. Hangers. You've got the lower level for someone in a wheelchair. We've got robes and more closet space. A full-length mirror here. Hubby. And then in the bathroom, you've got, the towel space, the towel racks, toilet. You do have the chair in the shower because it's an accessible shower, and the rails. Shower head. And then this does have the curtain. So we were on the Carnival celebration last and really liked the glass, but we've got a curtain in here. And then you've got sink. There's a lot of space for toiletries in here. So 3 shelves on each side. That's really nice. Mirror. The vanity mirror here. And then got some additional shelving. Trash can. A couple of tables, nightstand and lamp. Flat screen TV. Here's the bed, king size bed. Another nightstand. And then you've got a window here that looks out onto the balcony. And then here's what you've all been waiting for, the Havana balcony. Got a little table out here, a little footstool, a chaise lounger, here. And then it looks out onto the Havana area. People are already in the pool. Got a pool. Got a hot tub here. Another hot tub there. The deck area. See some of the Havana seating. That is the Havana Aft Stateroom, 7458 on the Carnival Horizon. So I was just coming in to Lysol the bathroom down, and it's pretty gross. I don't think it was cleaned at all. I don't know if you can see that, but it's pretty nasty. There's some kind of splatter on the back. It's just gross and looks like stains on the back of the seat. I'm gonna call the room attendant now, but it's pretty gross.